All right, you guys, today we want to show you this super cute kids stunt car. This is a four-wheel drive, really fun remote control car. As you can see, we have been playing with it and it is a lot of fun. So as you can see, the tires, they kind of spin freely. So this thing can go forward, backwards, spin in circles, twist, turn, tumble, super fun little car. This does come with the remote control as well, and both are battery operated. It does come with an extra, hold that for me, it does come with an extra battery and a charger, so it's really awesome. So you can have a ton of playtime. So when the one battery dies, you can change it out and just keep going. So super fun. The tires on this are really nice. They're kind of like super spongy and just resilient to bumping and running into things and kind of getting beat up. So we're going to show you how much fun this is. Like I said, it kind of just goes anywhere and tumbles over really pretty much anything that you want it to. So we'll kind of show you some play with it. Go that way. Go that way.
This way?
Yeah. Make it. Yep, see it. Okay, make it. Set it back to you. Go the other way. Go the other way. There you go. Bring it over here. Make it spin. Can you make it spin?
Yeah.
All right, send it your way. Get your right. Get your.
Oh.
So, which way are you going? Make sure you're the right way. You good? Other way. Okay, make sure you go that way. Ready? Set, go. All right! Which way are you going?
Okay.
Hold on. Wrong way.
This way.
Okay, ready? Set. You which way?
Yep.
Wrong way.
This way?
Wrong way. Other way. Yep. Ready? Set. Go.
I was still on it. I was still on it.
Stop. Other way. Other way. Other way.
I was even right now going.
Wrong way. Yep. Okay, ready? Set. Go.
Hold on. Go.
No, you need running speed.
I know. I was just
Lining up.
sure it. Just lining up.
All right. Got it? You know which way you're going?
And it's no.
I got it. Other way.
Oh, so close. I'm still on it.
Go forward. All right, as you can see, this really cute stunt car provides lots of entertainment, lots of hours of fun. As you can see, we're making some ramps and just having a fun time with it. So definitely a lot of play indoors or outdoors with this cute little toy. So definitely a really great deal and a really fun toy. So go check one out for yourself. This makes for a great gift as well. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.